Muffin. Muffin. What do you got in your hair? You got green stuff in your hair.
She wants to feed you.
Delicious. Here, you want me to feed you? Where are you going? Feed you? We're like monkeys right now, Maya. Maya? Where's Maya? 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 You're distracted. Maya? Minnie?
Oh, well, that helps her to eat, maybe.
What kind of muffin is that? Not very sugary.
It's sweet potato.
What are you doing? Want some more of this? You gotta eat it. You're just hanging out now? You tired? What are you doing? Head? Head. Head. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Where's your nose, Maya? My nose, yeah. Where's your mouth? Where's your mouth? Hey.
Where's your head?
Where's your head? Head. Mouth. Mouth. That's Charlie. That's nasty. Licks your fingers. Mouth.